DJI Agras T50 and T25 support connection through DJI RTK2 mobile station or custom network RTK. RTK-based connection is recommended to achieve centimeter-level positioning during operations. Custom network RTK can be used only in areas where networks and the network RTK service are available. In areas with no network or the network RTK service is unavailable, we recommend that you use the DRTK2 mobile station. 1. Setup. Select an open area to set up the DRTK2 mobile station. Mark the location and align the center of the extension rod with the mark to ensure that the DRTK2 mobile station can be placed at the same location after movement. If you want to use a DJI tripod that is purchased separately, unfold the tripod, stretch the 3 retractable legs to the desired length, and then tighten the knobs. Ensure that the bubble level on the mount base is located within the black circle, while keeping the tripod secure. We recommend that you set up the mobile station within or on the edge of the task area. This is to ensure the drone is within coverage of the mobile station. If the terrain in the task area varies, or if there is signal blockage between the drone and the mobile station during flight, we recommend that you set up the mobile station at a higher place to maintain a stable connection. 2. Power on and usage. Let's get familiar with the buttons on the DRTK2 mobile station. The button on the left side is the link button and indicator, that in the middle is the power button and indicator, and that on the right side is the operating mode button and indicator. Before using the mobile station, check the battery level of the WB37 intelligent battery. If the battery level is low, please charge or replace the battery. Press and hold the power button to power on the mobile station. After being powered on, the mobile station will search for satellites. If the power indicator remains solid green, it indicates a good satellite signal, and you can proceed to the next step. When used with T50 or T25, the DRTK2 mobile station must be set to broadcast mode, signified by the operating mode indicator blinking 5 times. Press and hold the operating mode button for 2 seconds. The operating mode indicator will turn from green to yellow to indicate that the device has entered the mode switch status. Press the operating mode button to switch operating modes. Switch until the mode indicator blinks 5 times and wait 2 seconds for the device to enter this mode. The indicator will turn from yellow to green. 3. Linking. Place the drone in an open area. Power on the remote controller first. Enter Aircraft Operation Interface, tap Settings, and then tap RTK Settings. Set RTK signal source to DRTK2 mobile station. Then power on the aircraft. Start the DJI Agras app, go to the Device Management Interface. Select DRTK2 mobile station, tap Linking, select the mobile station to connect, and wait for the linking to complete. Enter Aircraft Operation Interface. Once the RTK status turns green, the drone can achieve centimeter-level positioning. Following are the precautions of the use of DRTK2. You can pause and read them.